guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of the family. And if you're a returning subscriber or viewer, hey babe. On today I am doing a hair tutorial. I haven't done a hair tutorial on my channel in a long time. The hair I'm reviewing today is from Yummy Extensions. I have in 4 bundles of their raw deep wave Burma hair. The frontal I'm wearing is from them as well. It's their 13x6 Cambodian curly wave. The reason I have 2 different origins of hair is because they were sold out of the frontal that matched my bundles. But when I called them, they told me it would match, and it actually does match with the bundles that I have. So you really can't tell. When I received my bundles, the bundles and the frontals, they all came in these satin bags, and then they came in one large organza bag. Originally, I ordered 3 bundles and the frontal. Later on that day, I was like, I think I want a 4th bundle. So I ended up ordering a 4th bundle. And you'll see in the clip that when the hair was in its natural state and I didn't put any product or anything, like when I received it, the frontal and the 3 bundles that I ordered together, they matched. And then the 4th bundle looked totally different. The only thing I would say about the 4th bundle, it is darker. I don't know if you can tell. I do have it at the top. It is darker than my other bundles and my frontal, but it doesn't bother me because it all mixed together and it looks fine. I have in a 13x6 18-inch frontal. I wanted a 20-inch, but that was sold out as well, and I'm actually fine with the 18-inch, especially when it's brushed out. I want the big bushy faux look. That's the look I was going for. That's what I want. I'm actually about to go out and I wanted to tame it down a little bit. But when I get back, I'm actually going to brush it out and wear it, you know, big and bushy. This is my first time wearing curly hair, like real curly hair. I've been wanting curly hair for a long time, for years. I've been saying that I wanted the big curly hair every winter for as long as I can remember. So about this hair, the smell that it had, I think they actually conditioned the hair prior. I could be wrong, but it does smell like the hair was conditioned. I didn't get any shedding. I ended up bleaching my frontal, bleaching the knots of my frontal, and then I tinted my lace with tea. And I also did put makeup on it. Okay, so no, this is my first time actually installing a frontal. I don't like baby hairs. I like the like messy type hair look. So that's what I was going for. I think I did alright for my first time. I know I still have to practice, but I'm happy with the look. When I bleach the knots bleach really well. I didn't have any problems. I did have a little bit of shedding. I did use all 4 bundles. The bundles are full, so it took a lot for me to get all 4 bundles and this frontal one here, but it worked. As you can see, when I was, trying to get my curls to pop, when you spray water and conditioner on your hair, by the way, I have this conditioner and water in here, and then I just have water in here only because I don't know why I just didn't pour it. Don't judge me. But as you can see, when you put the water on, it literally curls up. I don't have any problem with it curling up. When I brushed the hair out, I did get shedding. It could be, I don't know. I cut my wefts. It could be from me cutting my wefts. I don't know. This hair is extremely soft. Now, the difference between the Cambodian wave and the Burma, and excuse the lighting, I'm using natural light and my ring light, but you can't tell the ring light. So the sun is moving. The Burma is soft. It's like a really soft texture. The Cambodian is a much more coarser texture, and you feel that when you first receive your bundles. But now that I have them together and on my head, and I actually like conditioned them and everything, there really isn't a difference for me. When I first styled the wigs, and I put conditioner on in the water, and then I did put a mousse on, and I did seal it in with oil. I didn't like the hole that the mousse gave, even though it was like a soft hole. I just wanted it to be fluffy, so I didn't like the hole, so I didn't put the mousse back on today. Overall, I love this hair. If you know anything about Yummy extensions, you know that they're not gonna call them expensive. They're a company that you spend money with when you're ready to invest in good hair, and this is raw hair. So if you know anything about raw hair is gonna be more pricey. So this hair was definitely an investment when it comes to hair. But it's been known that their hair lasts for a long time if you take care of it. I'm really good with taking care of hair, so I'm not worried about the longevity of the hair. Maybe the frontal, but not the actual hair. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more uploads from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.